To anticipate the surge of COVID-19 infections, hospitals in Depok, West Java are on alert. One of them being the Depok Regional Hospital. The hospital will add rooms for COVID-19 patients in floor 5 and 8 if patients keep increasing.
Kita sudah mengantisipasi jauh-jauh hari ya, karena pengalaman selama 2 tahun ini kami tidak mau dadakan ya untuk mempersiapkan itu. Jauh-jauh hari kita sudah membuat mapping terkait dengan apabila ada kenaikan, mungkin kita akan menambah ruangan perawatan. Yang saat ini berada hanya di ruangan kenanga, kami sudah mengantisipasi untuk menggunakan lantai 5 dulu, baru kemudian lantai 8.
From the Depok COVID-19 Task Force's data per January 28, there are 617 new cases and 11 recoveries. Meanwhile, active cases reached 2,691. The COVID-19 patient surge also occurred at the Mitra Avia Menteng Hospital at Kalipasir, Menteng, Central Jakarta. In 1 week, the bed occupancy rate reached 27%, where 7 patients are being treated in isolation rooms.
Masih melakukan pemeriksaan WGS dulu, WGS-nya belum keluar hasilnya sehingga kita belum tahu itu jenis COVID apa. Sekarang kita masih menyediakan sekitar 4 ruangan, tapi jika keadaan bertambah banyak pasien, pasti kita akan memperbanyak ruangan untuk pasien COVID.
To anticipate surge in patients, the hospital also prepares additional treatment rooms and supporting facilities, including oxygen tanks. C-Studio contributor reporting from Depok, West Java, and Jakarta.
Indonesia has recorded around 11,000 new COVID-19 daily cases as of Saturday, January the 29th.
Looks like the country needs to brace itself for another surge ahead of Chinese New Year.
To find out more, we are now joined by our reporter Andira Putri with the current COVID-19 restriction updates. Andira.
Yes, Acil, Krizia, and Aubrey. Right now, I'm in front of COVID-19 Emergency Hospital, Wisma Atlet Kemayoran Central, Jakarta, where as per today, Sunday, 30th of January, 55% of its bed capacity has been filled with COVID-19 patients. So this one, most of the COVID-19 cases, so for the patients, they are now being treated in Tower 4, 5, and 6, and most of them, there are more of them who have symptoms compared to the one who is asymptomatic. So in total, this Wisma Atlet has 8,173 beds, which means that more than 4,000 of them have been filled. As per daily report, currently there are, as per today, 6 a.m., there are around like 673 patients who have entered this facility, while 125 of them have been discharged. While behind me right now is the entrance for the medical workers who have assigned to do their job in Wisma Atlet. So the security, as you can see, is quite tight. There is a police line and only limited people who could go behind the police line, which means right now we have to stay outside of the police line, while as you can see, there are also the security measurements from the Indonesian Armed Force. Regarding the Omicron cases, in total, Wisma Atlet there are around more than 1,000 cases in Wisma Atlet. However, until now, only 38 of the patients have been treated inside here. And most of them are still dominated by people who have returned from traveling abroad, with Saudi Arabia recorded the highest cases. So, as you may know, some of the people who have returned from their Umrah and unfortunately got infected with COVID-19, has to stay in Wisma Atlet. And in total, from Saudi Arabia, from people who have returned from Saudi Arabia, there are 191 cases. This list then followed by other countries such as Turkey, Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, and also United States. And while for the local transmission, in here, the Wisma Atlet have like around 117 patients who have got infected with Omicron cases through local transmission. And we will give you further updates about this. In the meantime, it's better if you stay at home despite the Chinese New Year celebration is approaching. Chinese New Year holiday is approaching. Still, it's better if you stay at home. And if you have to go out, make sure that you follow health protocols and utilize your Peduli Lindungi application. And also, it's important for you to get the third dose of COVID-19 vaccination get your booster shot. Stay safe, everyone. Back to the studio.
All right, Andira Putri, thank you so much for the report. Please stay safe and stay healthy.